The best mess kits for camping and trekking. A camper or a trekker should carry a mess kit that includes a pot, cup, fork, spoon, bowl, and pan. These are essentials for preparing meals, and a mess kit lets you carry them all with ease. If you plan to purchase one, here is our list of the best mess kits. These kits usually suffice for 1 or 2 campers. They are lightweight and compact products that fit well into tiny spaces of your camping bag. However, it would help to consider a few factors before purchasing a mess kit. This video discusses the features along with our picks. Watch on. Number 1. Best BPA-free 1-liter camping cookware mess kit backpacking gear. This mess kit by Malum is one of the best options, designed keeping in mind the needs of a youth scout or an adult hiker. It is a backpack mess kit set of 10 pieces that collapse into smaller pieces for easy storage. The compact and lightweight design makes it a smart survival gear for adventurous souls. What we like: collapsible bundle design, lightweight, sturdy handles, BPA-free. Includes a cleaning sponge and a nylon travel bag with a drawstring. What we don't like: small-sized pots. Sporks may be inconvenient to use. Number 2. Best easy to carry. Yuko 4-piece camping mess kit with bowl, plate, and 3-in-1 spork utensil set. An ideal mess kit for backpacking, camping, and scouting. The 4-piece plastic mess kit includes a plate, bowl, spork, and tether. It allows you to pack and carry food on the go without spilling. More than 2,887 buyers on Amazon have said the product lives up to the hype. What we like: BPA and phthalate free, dishwasher and microwave safe, leak-proof seal. Grip handles ensure a comfortable hold, lightweight and compact. The non-skid silicone ring on the base and lid. What we don't like: rubber straps may not be durable, might be difficult to clean. Number 3. Best durable. Unique complete messware kit polished stainless steel dishes set. This mess kit for camping has been crafted using food-grade stainless steel and is ideal for one person. The rust and scratch-proof design makes it a durable and top-quality mess kit. The kit includes a plate, cup, bowl, spoon, fork, and knife. What we don't like: made of 100% food-grade stainless steel, dishwasher safe, lightweight and durable, comes with a mesh bag, easy to clean and stackable. Different color options. What we don't like: the plate looks more like a bowl, the cup may be a tad small. Number 4. Best nonstick. Winterial camping cookware and pot set. Get all the mess essentials in one set with the Winterial cookware set. It includes a frying pan, saucepot, kettle with lids, cutting board, folding ladle, 2 serving bowls, spatula, and a sponge. The cookware features a Teflon coating to prevent the food particles from sticking to the surface. They also include foldable handles with 3-point rivet mounting. What we like: compact, lightweight, and portable. Non-toxic. Kettle has steel-pointed spout, high temperature and friction resistant. What we don't like: cup may not come with measuring marks, may not be easy to clean. Number 5. Best recyclable. GSI Outdoors stainless 1-person mess kit. If you want a mess kit for a solo traveler, get this mess kit by GSI Outdoors. The kit includes a cup, frying pan, pot, and bowl, made of 18 by 8 stainless steel. The pot and frying pan are safe on coal or open flame. In addition, the foldable hands ensure hassle-free and compact storage. Further, the kit includes a mesh bag to store the cookware. What we like: durable and lightweight, fully recyclable, rust-proof finish, free of BPA, phthalates, and PFOA. What we don't like: may not come with a non-stick coating. Base of the pot may not be thick. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our coal products, as it will make your life much easier.